kami po, no, in my personal capacity, I'm willing to give 100,000 reward kung sino man magbibigay po ng information which could lead to the arrest, no, and possible ng mga suspect na ito. Kasi po, we need them to get out of the streets and to make our streets much safer, our homes much safer. And hindi ito biro, no? So, sa amin po, siguro mga quote-unquote high profile na mga advertised servisyo. Pero kung nagagawa sa akin, hindi natin masasabi kung maaaring magawin din sa ating simpleng mga kababayan. So, ito kasi nagsisimula ito sa pagtahimik natin eh. So, huwag tayong tatahimik, Kasi kung wala tayong mga pakialam sa paligiran natin, hindi natin malaman, baka sa atin din mayroon. Sana wag naman. Sana wag naman. At sana itong nangyari sa akin, this will be an end of this criminal organized group. Oh my God. And imagine the experience is very traumatic. So, sana po ipagdasal natin ang bawat isa at pasama tayo sa PNP, sa ating mga law enforcement agencies, sa IDG, sa PNP, Pro3, na they're really trying their best to get the bottom of this, yung mga ganun po. So, at saka sa media friends natin. I go social media precisely because of social awareness and to help our people na maging aware. So, any parts of the Philippines, kailangan mag-ingat po tayo. Yes. And I'm asking the PNP to please, let this be an activity for us or an event for us to join our efforts together to make our streets much safer and also our homes much safer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.